welcome to the interview. Elle, you've been with us for about 2-ish months now, I believe. We've been working with her on a webinar funnel. So the first webinar that we did $4,473. And
Woohoo!
and that was only on like 400 bucks in ad spend. And then we had March 24th, we spent 179. And then we had March 27th, we spent 335. And then that webinar, you did 8 sales. So that was about 4,000. We had 9 low ticket sales for 90 bucks and 8 high tickets for 39.76. So we only spent 387. You had a 12x return. And then the next webinar, we
I
spent
know each one, I just kept making more and more money.
yeah. So the third one we spent 1460 in ad spend and we made $7,068, which was a 4.84x return. And that's when we started doing like retargeting. So we had retargeting campaigns going to a schedule. And then the next webinar, which was April 11th, which was about 10 days ago, we got 17 sales, which was 84.49 in revenue. And that's off of $2,000 in ad spend, which is a 4.45. Well, actually, you had an extra sale come in overnight. So it was
Yes.
91.46 in sales, $2,000 in spend. And then the last webinar that we just ran, you did 94.43, which was a 4.52x rise. So you're spending about 2K a week. You're spending 8,000 a month, give or take, as we scale the spend. The first question I always like to ask is, you were doing this from scratch. So there are some people who like are hesitant about doing ads and marketing and whatnot because it is a pretty hefty cost. So like, what is your biggest recommendation for people who are trying to get off the ground from scratch, but like have some type of like funds or have the will to like afford it?
Yeah, I would say definitely do it. I mean, I've paid thousands of dollars to try to figure it out on my own. And each time I was so close, so close. But I was just getting I was just getting frustrated with all the logistics, the back end, and the automation. So I would say, listen, it takes money to make money. So go ahead, invest in Wojo Media, and you will not regret it. He has a system, he has a process. Literally, all you have to do is work it.
And then as far as like the other things that you tried in the past, was it other agencies or was it like courses or things that were more do it yourself that were kind of frustrating? Like what other things did you experience in the past?
Yeah, so for the same price that I'm paying for your program, I also paid for another, it's basically a course where I had to log in and just go through the modules and figure out how to set up paid ads on my own. So I tried that twice. I also tried using people from like Fiverr, Upwork, and things of that nature, but it just never gave me the results that I was looking for. So now that you've created this system for me, I know that I can go back and duplicate this and then just scale and grow, scale and grow. So I'm super excited.
The other thing too is a lot of people assume, and not saying that you did, but a lot of people assume that they need a lot of followers or they need like this really massive budget. Like if we were to be practical, what you're spending on marketing in the beginning, like you were spending about 300 bucks a week. Everybody should be able to do that as long as they're a dedicated business owner. But like, did you have any like hindrance because you didn't have a big following? Like you didn't know if it was going to work or not? Like what were some hindrances that you thought in the beginning?
Listen, I didn't have a whole lot of followers when I got started. I wasn't even really thinking about the fact that I didn't have a whole lot of followers. I just knew that I kept hearing about paid ads from the top people. It's like the best kept secret, right? So it's just like I just knew I needed to tap into paid ads no matter what my followers were. Obviously, since I've been running ads, well, since your agency has been running ads for me, I've tripled my followers, tripled my views, all my engagement. So once you start with the ads, the followers will come.
You're obviously getting all these virtual and in-person workshop buyers. So, talk a little about the offer that you sell and a little bit more about like what you do so that people have context.
Yeah, absolutely. So my name is Elle McGee, and I'm a real estate developer. I teach people how to go from soil to sold by finding land and building new construction using other people's money. So my particular workshop will take you from getting your credit repaired to getting business funding to finding land, getting your contractors, building and selling for a profit. That's pretty much what my workshop offer is. And then obviously, I have one on one mentorship programs as well. So once I use your strategy to book a call with them and let them know what that one on one process looks like on the back end, which is me literally walking you through the entire process of building your first new construction project, there's plenty of upsells on the back end that you don't even know about.
So the whole 497 is to get them into the workshop, and then after that, they get more access where you can obviously do one-on-one. Maybe you'll even do a deal with them. Maybe that's depending on the deal, etc. You have access to a lot of lenders too, and ways to proprietarily get like better rates. So talk more about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So a lot of people come to me either because they already own land and they want to learn how to develop it, or they just know that new construction is the way to go and they're ready to break ground, but they're scared because they don't really understand that process. So I just try to give you the real about real estate. I've built over 20 properties in the last 3 years from the ground up, and I try to make it very easy and digestible. So once I get them in the door with the 497, obviously I talk to them about the one-on-one mentorship program. I can even partner on a deal with them, and I've also had several people reach out to me that want to invest directly into our projects and get passive investments. So I do have several opportunities that I offer on the back end as well.
Yeah. So we've had over, I think, if I had to put a number on, I think about 45 or 50 people buy the tickets. I think it's more
Yes.
than that, but it might be closer to 60, 70. How many people have opted into the one-on-one? Have you had anybody, or have they done payment plans, or is there anybody in the works right now through follow-up?
Yeah, absolutely. So I've had a few people that tapped in that actually paid $30,000 investments from the 497. I've had about four people sign up for the $5,000 multifamily one-on-one mentorship, and three people expressed interest in the $20,000 done for you multifamily project. And even just today, I sent out a message in my Go High level saying, "Hey, I see you purchased the workshop. If you want to upgrade to the one-on-one mentorship, I will still at this point use that 497 as a credit and upgrade you. All you have to do is reply back the word upgrade." And I got over 10 people in the text messages that said they want to upgrade. So I definitely got to follow up with them today as well.
A good thing for people to know is like you went from 300 bucks in a week to spending money on pay traffic to going to 2,000 a week. To be honest, not a lot of people can do that, even if they do see results. So like there's people who we work with that see results, but they like the complacency of staying at a smaller spend. So like what do you think was a big shift that you made to be okay with that kind of spend? Not just seeing the results, but like what else were you looking for as far as like the mindset portion?
Well, honestly, I just went back to your webinar presentation and kind of how you talked about your growth from where you initially started your ad spend to spending 500 a day. So I already knew mentally that that was something that was eventually going to come up. And I just rely on you and your team's expertise. So once you saw the results the first 2 weeks, you like, "Elle, we got to turn it up a notch." I'm like, "Let's go, let's get it, whatever you say." So it really wasn't a whole lot of thinking. I just rely on what you guys see, you and your team on the back end, and I just follow.
And also, like, it's more of a collaborative team effort. So you've been working with our team. There's like three core values that we have inside of Wojo, which is urgent excellence, team first, and then radical transparency. What do you think about your manager and how Summer is performing within the account? Like, what feedback do you have? Because a lot of people come to us to work with me, right? Like, because I'm the face of the brand, but I need to set an example and like be a leader for the people underneath me. So like people who might be on the fence because they don't get to work with me all the time or they want to work with the team. Like, what is your true opinion of Summer and the team that I have behind me?
Well, I was honestly impressed by how fast you and your team just like swarmed my account. Okay. It's like after I submitted the payment, signed the contract, within 24 hours, you and your team were on it. So I would say to anybody who's like thinking about it, go ahead and do it. Even if you're not working with Jason directly, he's doing what bosses do, which is out there getting more clients, but he's put the proper team in place so that you guys don't have to worry about it. That was one of the biggest things to me, I would say, is having that team support. Because when you only have one or two people overseeing your account, there will be some technical issues or delays.
Yeah.
So summer has been great with giving me different strategies, optimizing my ads, my campaign. Josh is the go high level guru. Any questions I ask, he gets back. And Kumar is doing his thing on the ads on the back end, letting me know all the analytics, what I'm spending, what that ROAS looks like. So I would say the team is superb. I'm super excited and I'm not going anywhere anytime soon.
What is your biggest goal with us over the next 6 months ending the year? Like, where do you want to be? I know you're spending 2,000 a week, but maybe spending 10,000 a week is a big goal, or just getting 100 tickets sold a week, or like, what is this goal that you have for the rest of 2025 working with us?
So I would say now that I've done a few webinars, I can honestly feel that I'm living in my purpose. This is like so exciting for me that my audience, the people who opt in, watch my webinar, purchase the workshop, they're like, Elle, I've literally learned more from you in this 1 hour than I've paid tens of thousands of dollars for other real estate coaches. So for me, now that I'm getting that kind of feedback, it's really about making the most impact that I possibly can by the end of the year, partnering with other serious investors and really showing them how to execute. This is not just another course. This is not just another mentorship or coaching program. I tell them I'm not here for a long time, okay? Just for a good time. I want to see you break some land and build some properties. That's it. So
Love
just
it.
making as the most impact as I can really is my goal.
Yeah. And for everybody watching who wants to get more information on Soil to Sold, like where can they reach out to you? Where can they, hit you up on Instagram, etc.?
Yeah, so my Instagram and Facebook is Elle McGee. That's ELLEMCGHEE. You can reach me on Facebook or Instagram and click the link in my bio. That way you can join the next free masterclass, which is this Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern.
All right. Well, I appreciate you, Elle, hopping on, and I will talk to you very soon. I hope you have a great rest of your Monday.
All right, talk to you soon. Thank you, Jason and team, for all you do.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.